Fitness devices and apps are great and super easy ways for you to stay in close communication with your patients. By integrating them into your Atlas.md account, you get a transparent view of your patient's fitness habits and can start laying the groundwork toward a more personalized healthcare plan. Atlas.md offers fitness integration support for devices from the most prominent players in this market. You can also connect to many smartphone apps. Let's talk about how to actually integrate your patient's account with these apps. The first step is sending your patient an invitation directly from their chart. Just head to the Vitals and Stats page, find the Invite button under Health Devices Integration, then confirm your invitation. Once the invitation process starts, all you have to do is follow the prompts. Here's what's happening. An email is sent to the patient with an invite link. The patient needs to check their email and click on the invite link to officially accept it. Once the invite is accepted, the patient is taken to an authorization page where they can then allow Atlas.md access to their fitness information. The physician receives an email notification when the patient allows access. Once all that's done, Atlas.md will begin monitoring the data provided by the fitness service and display the information on the stats page from your patient's chart. Atlas.md will attempt to gather information from up to 1 month in the past, if at all possible. And from there, Atlas.md will update the fitness stats on a daily basis. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about fitness integration options, please don't hesitate to get in touch at support@atlas.md.